I'm in AT 110 with John Corner, my teacher. Now, me and my partner Aaron are going to show you how to do the lead machine. I'll demonstrate and use it. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to set it up properly and tell you the names of all the parts. Now, I'm going to put the fitting on. Make sure it's nice and tight on the edge. And I'm going to put the screen on. And the retaining on. Now, next, I'm going to put on the rotor. Make sure it's nice and tight, or it'll be floppy and won't work. And I'm going to put on the other fitting on the outside. Okay, once that's done, we're going to put on spacer. Make sure you hold it down tight. The rubber, it goes in the middle. And in the nut. Once we do that, we want to hand tighten it and wrench it. This is a big wrench. One time. Now, we're going to don't forget the screen. Make sure it's on properly. And beware. It can do some damage. Okay, we got that. Now I need to find a hole. There you go. And it's on. That's how you set up the lead machine. Now I'm going to pass it on to Aaron, and he's going to show you how to cut it.
Sorry about that technical difficulties. I don't know how to merge them together, so we're doing it like this. Now that my partner Austin has properly set up the lathe machine for me to demonstrate how to properly lathe, I'm going to go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure that this piece here is tight, because we don't want this swaying in and out. We want this secure. So tighten that down and make sure this bottom bolt here is loose, because we want free play, free action, this, in and out this way. So now that everything is set up properly, go ahead and I'm going to turn the machine on. Now that we have a rotating action, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring this in about a quarter of an inch. Quarter of an inch where it's properly there.
You're doing okay.
So about right there is good enough. Basically now, what we want to do is we want to get a scratch cut going. And a scratch cut basically is what it is, it's a scratch cut. We want to get it going until we hear a scratching sound. So we're going to drive this in until you get your scratching sound. That's about good. Now we're going to tighten this down. We're going to do the same to the other side. Bring it in so we get the scratching sound. Right there is good enough. Now I'm going ahead and we're going to tighten this down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this out. And about right there to get the lip. Now that we got the lip off, I'm going to bring this all the way in. Get an even cut. All the way across the road. You don't want to bring it in too far. Right in too far, but that's all right. Now that we have S-square plate, What I'm going to do now is put it on slow. Now that that's set like that, basically what it's going to do is it's going to surface itself. And as it does that, it's going to move in an outward motion until it completely covers the whole rotor. And basically, that there is how you do your basic lathing on a lathing machine.